Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I will show you how to change your password meetings on Zoom apps. Actually it's really easy to do, but you have to make sure that you are not if you try to change the meeting that's still ongoing, it can't be done by now. That's impossible by now, but I don't know in the future if Zoom change their policy or change the feature and so on. So before you start the meetings, how to have you have to open your meeting setting. For example, I have my own meeting here, and then you can see this is an option of edit. You can edit that one, and then here my passcode. This is my password, so I can change my passcode into any password that I want. For example, I want to make it, the passcode is for example 123. Okay, there is a limit of character limit on this passcode, and then click save, and then that's it. Now you can start your personal meeting with the new password. Okay, this is a very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.